Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. In this video, we're gonna keep it real simple. We're gonna make a cheeseburger. Hey, you know what? And then we're gonna get the presentation right. You know, we're gonna make the cheeseburger today look like the rest of the ones that's on the internet. You know what I mean? Even though when I do barbecue, stuff like that, you know, my wife and I, we like to entertain a lot of company. When we make cheeseburgers, they just don't quite look like the gourmet, you know, cheeseburger. But I'm gonna show you. We're gonna pay a little bit more attention to our presentation. You know what? Then we got some crinkle cut fries. We just gonna put these in the oven, get them going, get them like nice and golden brown, and go from there. And they're gonna be delicious. All right, here we go. All right, first things first. We starting off with 4 patties. This is just ground chuck brisket. You know, ground it's ready-made patties. We're gonna season. Listen, we don't have to put all that stuff on there. We're gonna season just, you know, real simple, but it'll be flavorful. Salt.